Top 10 Auto Repair in Long Beach. 1. Advanced Auto Service and Tires, 4.9 142 reviews, E. Anaheim Street. 2. Overseas Garage, 4.9 71 reviews, East 4th Street. 3. Euro Car Masters, 4.8 273 reviews, E. Broadway. 4. Elite Complete Auto Repair, 4.8 210 reviews, East 4th Street. 5. Ghassem Service Center, 4.8 96 reviews, Clark Avenue. 6. Prum's Auto Repair, 4.8 46 reviews, East 16th Street. 7. 4th Street Auto and Tire, 4.7 868 reviews, East 4th Street. 8. Tom's Automotive Service Center, 4.7 328 reviews, E. Anaheim Street. 9. Joe's Auto Center, 4.7 155 reviews, East Wardlow Road. 10. Lee's Auto Repair, 4.7 155 reviews, East 7th Street.